Hi, this is Lakshmi. Welcome to Body Trainer Fitness Show. Today is the workout only for intensive of the cardio మిక్స్ చేసి నేను బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ చేసి ఉమెన్స్కి బటక్స్ వర్కౌట్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ఈ బటక్స్ వర్కౌట్ అనేది మ్యాక్సిమం స్ట్రెస్ రిలీఫ్ ఎక్సర్సైజెస్లో చెప్పొచ్చు. మ్యాక్సిమం దిస్ ఈస్ ద కంప్లీట్ బర్న్ యువర్ క్యాలరీస్ దిస్ ప్లేస్ ఓన్లీ. Okay, simple basic 5 moves only for 5 moves. Do these exercises 25 repetition into 2 sets. Maximum complete burn your hips. Just at home only. Ready to start the workout. If you like this workout, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this workout, please do the exercises. Ready to start. Any exercise, do the first exercise is warming up must and should. After that you can do exercise. I tell you today is the only for directly. Okay, directly I will show. Okay, stretch your left leg is stretch and stretch just hold it like this, hold it like this, hold it like this. Just so, just for 20 seconds, just for hold it. After 20 seconds, just like this, hold it few seconds. Few seconds after that like this. Simple sky kick. 25 rounds. 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Complete burn amount. 8, 7. Come on, ready, good. 6, 5 more. Complete. 3, 2. Only 1 more. Complete burn over here in hip position. Okay. After that, simple position. And just lift the, just hip the, stretch your leg. Just for stretch your leg and like this. Hamstring curls. This for hamstring curls. This is the complete hamstring curls. Like this. 4, 5. Very good. 6, 7, 8. Simple basic exercises. 9, 10, 9, 8. Maximum come on. 7, 6, 5 more. 3, 2. Only 1 more. Effect in this is a complete hamstring muscle and hip muscle. Okay. After that, same lay down. This position is the lay down. And just on lay down, lift the leg and squeeze your hip muscle. Squeeze your hip. Lay down just as lift the leg. Hip just for hip up and down, up and down, up and down. 25 repetition up and down. 4, 5. Simple. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Simple. This is exercise. 3 exercises completed. After 3, just for like this. Simple position. Keep your right leg is like this L shape and left leg is L shape. Keep your left leg also L shape, L, and right leg should be L. Both are like this L, L, L. Okay, this is a complete. Take the support here, just the support here. Don't drop the body weight like this. Okay, always keep your body weight straight and lift the hip muscle. Lift the lift the leg, complete leg. Just lift that. Just for 10 seconds hold it. After 10 seconds, just clockwise or up and down, up and down, up and down. Maximum up and down. 25 repetition is up and down. This is the maximum burn here. This is the complete burn here. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 demo. Come maximum up and down. 3, 2, only 1 more. This is the complete burn this place only. Okay, complete simple exercises. Burn your calories, hip position. Okay, and after that, last one exercises. Last simple is the best exercise. Then the complete lay down. Just lay down. Stretch your heel. Complete touch. Complete touch the body and heel touch. Just lay down. Complete lay down. Squeeze your body. Just raise your hip only. Hip position. 3. Hip position is up and down. 4, 5. Squeeze your hip position. Squeeze. 5, 6, 7. Squeeze. And 8. Simple squeeze. 9. Yes, sir. The complete maximum can burn our hip muscles. So you see like this. I am doing only for left series only. You do again right series also. I am doing just for hold it few seconds. I will show. Very fast. Simple basic exercises. Just for hold it like this. Hold it, and after that just a sky kick only. Sky kick. 25 hours. 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only 1 more. It's a complete burn your hip position. And after that, simple position. And yeah, stretch your leg and stretch your leg. Hold it few seconds, and after that 1. Hamstring curls. 2. Very good. 3, 4. Maximum like this. 5. Hold it and do it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, max, come on, very good, 8, simple, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more. Complete burn your this hamstring muscles and glutes muscles. After that, just for lay down and single leg raises like this, single leg raises. And lay down, just lay down, both the legs is straight. Just for hip up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just simple up, 5, 6, 7. Maximum is 8, like this, 9. Yes, 10. 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. And is a complete burn into simple abs and simple burn exercises. Okay, after that, put our left leg is like this and right leg should be back side and stretch right leg. Just for lift it and yes, lift the leg to left. Just for don't drop the body weight. If your body weight like this, complete maximum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more, man. The complete burn here. Just hold it. After that 25 repetition or 30 repetition must and should. If you like this workout, same number. Again, last exercise is in simple lay down and do it the hip exercise. Up and down. 2, 3, 4. Squeeze your hip. Squeeze your hip. This is a complete squeeze your hip. Up and down. This is a complete maximum burn. Up and down squeeze is a complete burn your calories 100%. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Please do the exercises only. Thank you for viewers and thank you.